Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Architi Creations. Welcome to part 2 of the Krishna mural in Kerala mural style. Till now we have done the outlining of the Krishna ji, we've done the drawing and we have done the background coloring in pale yellow color. In case you've just landed on this video, then there is a part 1 which I have mentioned in the description box below. Do go there and have a look at the part 1 video as well. Please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the video by pressing the notification button so that you can know as soon as we put up the part 3 as well. So let us quickly start today's lesson. In today's session, we will be doing all the jewelry of Krishna ji as well as the mud. For that, we mainly will be using 2 to 3 colors. The first color is a permanent yellow medium that we will be using. The second color is a scarlet lake. Now, this is the color which was left from my first session, which is a mixture of white and permanent yellow medium. That also we will be using in this video. Now I'm going to take out approximately 2 points of the permanent medium yellow with 1 point of scarlet and just mix these two colors well. And just in this color I'm going to just touch sap green. This is a color of sap green to get a little darkish shade. Just mix it well. So this is one shade which we will be using. The second shade let us create now. The second shade is yellow, permanent medium yellow primarily we will be using. And the third shade, we have a lighter version of yellow available with us. These are primarily the 3 shades that we are going to be using for our jewelry work. So just keep some tissues handy with you. So we are first going to start with the pot down. Okay. Now don't use too much water when we are doing these shading works. I am using the pure permanent medium yellow here to give a backdrop. Now in this I am going to blend in the darker shade. So this way. I'm just going to increase the quotient of lighter color. Now what we are going to do is in this part, this is the matka top, so just give it a darker color. Now let us start with our jewelry. I'm going to just let this dry to add more shade to it. Now we are going to start with our jewelry work. Just blend it well. Like this. So slight shade has come. Now in the center part, to enhance the look, I am going to enhance the shade of lightest color in the bangles. Now let us do this part. Just blend it to create a shade on the sides to give it a curved look. I'm just blending in a little lighter shade. Now let us continue. First we are going to make the rings this way. First I'm doing the medium tinge. We are not going in for the lighter one here. Just blend in the color in the borders or in the outer parts to give a shaded feel. And then I'm going to blend it with a dry brush and I'll show you. Just take a dry brush and blend in. You will be able to see a beautiful shading which comes up, okay, in this entire part. Okay, now we are going to do shading in all these parts. First, now I'm doing the blending work in my Basuri. Okay, take a dry brush. Okay, take your dry brush. Now to give more angle and to add more depth to these, I'm going to start adding the lighter shade and blending it in. So I'm going to take a little watery lighter shade, just blend it in. Here I'm not going to be giving pearls, so that's why I'm going to be giving them yellow color. These are also not pearls here, so these are going to go with yellow color. Now there is light which is going to fall on the earring, so there is going to be significant amount of white on this. Now in these parts the quotient of the dark color will be higher. Okay, now just blend it in. So this way we blended it in. Now you can increase the potency of the darker color onto the edges of the curve. Now the way I did this, let me finish these and these this side and show you. Now see, I have done the jewelry on all sides. I'm just going to add a little tinge of lighter shade in all of these. Not too much, just okay, in the same way add little bit of this. Okay, little bit you have added. Now comes doing the crown on top. So doing the crown on top is also very similar. Now in this there will be a slight difference. In the inner two lines we are going to concentrate on shades of red and orange here, orangish yellowish in these. Now in these parts we are going to concentrate on shades of lighter color, and then we'll give shade of yellow once this is a semi dry. And so now I'm going to do slight shading with the shades of yellow and the orange shade that we have created, mixing all the colors. So it's important to keep the consistency and the feel of the colors the way we've done it, the way we've made it. The mixture is important, and it's important that you use the exact shades to get the same kind of an effect when you're making your painting. Now a lighter version of the orange I'm taking. So this way, let me finish it that side also. And in the top part of the crown, I'm going to increase the darker shade. Okay, now see, we have done all the jewelry part. I have not done the part which has white beads because we are going to do that after doing the shading in the face of Krishna ji. We are now going to just finish all the swirls in the lower portion. Now for doing the swirls in the lower portion, let me show you. I am taking the lighter color that we prepared. I am going to mix these with the yellow color and create my swirls like this. So first I'm just creating these swirl shapes in these colors. Okay, this way. So these are just a little darker, slightly darker shades. First we'll do it in this corner, then we are going to take the orange shade. I'm not drawing them extremely sharply also, I'm just letting it blend a little bit in the color, and I'm going to do one final outline later on. Now, so this way we've created our swirls this side. Now after this I'm just going to blend in the orange color a little bit to give it a more natural and a blended look. Just blend it in, and later on with a sharper color we'll do an outline. Okay, this way. Now let us make the makhan here. Just put a little yellow under the orange. So we've done our painting till this point. Complete this painting till here and see you in the next part where we'll complete the leaves and we'll do the shading of the face.